I'm at Hot Rod City real early. I had a doctor's appointment and got out real early. Look at that Packard. That's nice. And here's his Buick. This way here can get you underneath how beautiful it is. God. Someone said you won, what, second overall? Just got back from Bowling Green at the Buick Nationals to get a top 25 award. There's another beauty they just finished. Big block. Sport wagon. Boy, that thing's gorgeous. This is the underneath of the sport wagon. Gorgeous.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Here's the finished product. Got fingerprints on it. What are you doing? Oh, wow. Oh, there's it. There's the air ride. Unreal. Yeah, it looks beautiful. No kidding. I didn't know I had a third row seat. Yeah, should come out nice. Dual action gate opens up either way. I'll be a son of a gun. I didn't know they had that back then.
That's awesome.
It's a step to get in. Unreal. I like the console. Air ride gauges in the console. Working on the motor. You got a Volvo in here, huh?
BMW.
Oh, that's a Beamer? Yeah. Oh, okay. There, yeah. They got the Jeepster done. Jeep truck. That's neat.
Back and having it lined.
Boy, that come out nice.
Line-X on the inside.
Line-X, yeah. Boy, that's beautiful. I thought about doing my whole truck in that stuff. Yeah, that come out nice. Here's the chassis for the International. I mean, those things were famous for rusting away. I mean, 2-3 years they were starting to rot out. I can't believe this thing's that. He said the body was rust-free. He said it come from California. Yeah, hold on a second. It's a 69 427. Those are worth fixing. Got a sniper on it. Here's Danny's Pontiac. Again. Nice Chevelle. Hellcat Charger.
We're not. No.
It's done?
Yeah, I don't. So he sent me the owner sent me a message, and
V-dub.
he said he's thinking of doing a Monday a month kind of thing. He asked if we were interested, but one of my guys just got out of the hospital. The other one's getting out of the hospital tomorrow.
Nice Roadrunner. '69. Here's Bob's pickup. He hasn't sold his drag car yet. I'm surprised. George's pickup. Here's Carl's 37.
Which daughter gets which car? Well, 5 other daughters stole it. One daughter.
Here's Jim's Mercury.
The youngest daughter.
Hard to believe this is Hot Rod Black. He just buffed it out and come out shiny. Here's my brother Mo's truck. God, this thing's been done for like 30 years. Here's Pete's Prefect. Here's John's Chevy. .442 Hurst Olds. Roadrunner.
It's cool. You can either hang it, or you can. It has a little leather space there. But you know, maybe the ones you
Is the clutch you have in it pretty heavy? This one's actually it's a diaphragm clutch.
Yeah, it was too.
Oh, okay. You go with the old style 3-finger clutch there. Yeah, pretty heavy. I had a Roadrunner years ago, and the thing was in traffic, your leg would cramp up because the thing was so hard to push in. Right. It hooked up good, but it was But a lot of guys actually they get a hydraulic conversion you can do on these. So this is manual. Okay.
Mustang GT. And here's my Mustang. I had to go to the doctor's appointment today, and so I brought my regular car. Nice. Is that yours? Yeah. Wow. Very nice.
71.
44.9.
So
No,
it's not for sale, right?
Monday, Tuesday.
Are you already selling it?
5 days.
Oh, you're 30%.
Well, I mean, that's
Boy, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
Get the tag, we'll figure out where he lives.
Love that color. Oh, it's got ghost stripes on it too. It's hard to see. Got a Florida plate on it.
I need to try and keep up with this guy.
Yeah.
Here's Glenn's. Glenn's Willie's. '58 Chevy 4-door, 6-banger.
Oh, she the one sponsored by like
I stopped at Eli's to see if he'd buffed the scratch out for me. But he didn't.
Believe it or not, that's what my car looked like when we got to Syracuse last
Was it?
year. Oh yeah. Good. The other side's a lot worse than this one.
Was it? You can't even see the 12 over here. Can you?
Nope. Can't see the 12 on the other side. I think. There's Mr. Bruno.
Hey, bucket. Look in your mirror.
Here's Timmy's daughters, Bambi's. Nice Chevelle.